Hi guys, Jamie from Anchor Vans here. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off a service light on a 2012 Ford Transit. Luckily for this car, it doesn't need a service currently, but when you turn on the ignition, there's a spanner just there, and it would appear and stay there if it needed a service. Obviously, it doesn't need a service, so it's not going to be there, but I'm going to show you the simple technique to turn it off. Simply, all you need to do, turn on the ignition, but don't start the engine. Press down on the brake and the throttle at the same time. Hold for about 15 seconds. Hold until the service light flashes. And release. Take your feet off the pedals and stop flashing. That means the service light has reset. Once you're satisfied, take the key out of the ignition. A quick disclaimer there at the end, guys. If you do find that you've had your vehicle serviced recently and the spanner light or the service light is still on, then I would recommend getting it checked again, maybe from a different garage or from the same garage, and mention to them that you have just had this serviced. Why is it still showing the light? Normally there's just a sensor problem, but it could be that it's still flagging up on a couple of things, so you may want to get it double checked.